Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another version of this wing, except this time I'm going to try and do both dihedral and um, sort of washout. So again, we're going to sketch on this surface here. Exactly as we've done before. We're going to turn the canvases back on. This wing's obviously not going to be the same as the last one. Let's just start with, we're just going to get the basic wing shape, and we'll manipulate where those go. Again, we need to just make sure it's on the right plane. That's on the right plane, yep. Okay, so now we've got our straight lines, which we don't want. We want to manipulate them in two ways. We want to add dihedral, and then we want to add twist, or the washout. So I'm going to turn the canvases off. I'm going to right click on that point, move copy. I'm going to -5. And the front one, sorry, the rear one, I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to do +5. Okay, and then I'm going to add the dihedral. Now, I wonder if when you add the dihedral, so you can see here is the difference on the tip, which is your washout. So now what we need to do is, on this one, we're going to move this one. Now this one we can actually do an angle, so let's say there's 2 degrees of, oops, sorry, -2 dihedral. -2 of dihedral. So now we've added dihedral, and we've added a little bit of twist on the tip. Again, I would actually go and do the maths properly for this. So we sweep, got the profile, got the path, got the guide rail, full extents, new body. Okay, job done. Now you can see there's our two different, there's the wing, the first wing, which was nice and straight, or it might have been had the tip, yeah, sorry, there was, I'd added washout to that one. I need to get rid of that origin because it always gets in the way. So you can see that there, it's got the you know, accentuated washout, and there's the other one that's got dihedral and some washout as well. Okay, so that's really taken us through the different variations that you can mess about with on the wings to get what you need. So what we'll do is we're going to do the cutting work, and then we'll do the mirroring as well.